So this little guy, Ghost, my cat, brought him in the house a little while ago, and I thought it was dead. And I picked him up, and I was holding him. I saw he was still alive. I mean, he looked dead. And then he took off in the house. So now he's alive. Seems like he's doing okay. Problem is that he fluttered down to the ground, and that's how I caught him. But I'm hoping it was just because he was didn't have anywhere to go, so he just fluttered to the ground. But hopefully he's not injured, so we're gonna let him out, and hopefully he's gonna be all okay. All right, little buddy. Where you at? All right, yeah, we'll come over here so we'll see. All right, here we go. Let's see if he comes on out. Come on. Come on, buddy. I hope you're all right. Come on. He's probably scared of my hand. Come on, buddy. Come on. There you go. Come on. There we go. Come on. Come on. It's right there. Oh, you little bugger. He's active. Come on. Come on. Come on. There we go. There we go. And he is off. Thank goodness. Ghost.